Right, line it, I'll push up. Go on. Sorry. Wow.
Push it, film it.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Right, ready, buds? Ready, Sam? Let's have it. Right, let's go. Let's start it. Watch the poles. No, away from the poles. Away from the poles. No, I'm going to push it down that way. Yeah, but push it that way. But the train goes down. You've got to hold the poles. Ready? One. Oh, no. Wait. Okay. Go. Let go of the folding. You're an idiot. You were supposed to push me. Jesus. Right. I was a good surfer.
Really?
Hey, watch one at a time.
Hop.
Ready?
I used to have blonde hair.
1, 2, 3, go. Ready?
Go on, son. Wait! Put me under too much
Right,
pressure.
ready? That's the
Oh my
first
god, he's
one.
gonna crash into people. This is actually so funny.
No hands. Yeah? No hands.
When he got he's looking like this. Oh my god.
I've got it.
Put the thing in front.
I bet I could skate down here.
Put the thing in front. Hold on.
It's really easy. Why are people telling me? It's so funny though.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
You ain't gonna make it. Without me.
I could easily skate down here.
You're not gonna make it without me.
Right, let's start again. I love the colour of the wheels, it's fantastic.
Customised. Oh my god.
Fuck, I've burnt everything. I've burnt me arms.
Come on, do it properly. Come on.
Do it properly.
Come on.
What, the state